Well, hello everybody. Good morning. This is indeed Mark Adamson coming to you live on my channel, AI Driven Solution, where I give you the solutions to everything that you need to learn in business and in life. Thank you for joining my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's time to buckle up. It's time to buckle up. Ladies and gentlemen, we had an awesome webinar with the CEO, Mufareh, and he is giving us some great updates. And those updates are very, very inspiring. I mean, it's so hot that we were at the edge of our seats for more because we were so hungry for what he had to say. Now, those who are founders and brand ambassadors in Onpassive, okay, you guys need to stay plugged in. It is time to start looking at your ecosystem and getting back there and learning everything that you need to learn. Get back there and stay focused as many times as possible because the bombs are coming. I mean, some big stuff is coming, and you don't want to miss out because if you miss out, I don't know what to tell you. However, we were blown away at the webinars that we did last Friday. And I am telling you, I just got onto the video and listened to it maybe 3 or 4 or 5 times because I was at work and I was just doing different things, running around. And I just listened to the video. I went into my back office and read the updates. And that's another thing. Go into your old founder's back office and you could read the updates if you don't like listening to videos. But the video is more transparent. It's live. You could feel the energy there in the webinar. And I'm telling you, it's very, very awesome. Now, for those who are sitting at the fence and wondering, oh, when Onpassive is going to come out, we're hearing so much about it. Everything is done. We are moving to the next level, to the new top, every growth, new top. And we are coming real soon, world. So just be patient. We will come out with a boom. We are about to reshape the internet. And I mean, we're going to reshape it from the bottom to the top, all the way to the top. So get ready for a new beginning. Get ready for something that is going to take your life to a new level. All you have to do for yourself is to change your way of doing things. Raise your standard. Raise it every day. Personal development is the key for you to change the way you do things. You must have that in your life. I'm telling you, it works. You got to have it. Okay? You must change you in order for you to change the world. In order for you to change anything in your family life, in your business life, in your workflow life, you must change the way you do things. Okay? So, connect. Done deal. Once it's out, trust me, those founders that have a lot of accounts, you might want to get busy because you have a lot of work to do. With the KYC, everything is coming out to the top. And we are in such an exciting time right now that I cannot wait for the other bombs to come out because we are going to shake up the internet. I am so happy, and I'm telling you, even in my good days and my bad days, I keep smiling. Do you know why? Because I am involved with an awesome brick and mortar company called Onpassive. And I'm excited and I'm fired up within. And I hope you will do the same. For those people who are waiting for us, we're coming out there shortly. So just be patient and we'll see you at the top. Make it a positive day. Remember, if you want to win in life, there are 4 things you have to do. Number 1 is you must pray. That's the first thing. Okay? You don't worry about the haters. You have a love for humanity. You have a love for people, no matter how they treat you. I know it's not easy. The next one is for you to stay in your lane. Do not worry about what everybody else is doing, who is doing this and who is that. You have your skill, you have your thing that you do. Do just that. And lastly, do not compare yourself to other people. Do not compare yourself to other people. I repeat this. Do not compare yourself. You have what you do, they have what they do. Stay in your lane, and everybody's going to win, 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 win. See you at the top. Make it a positive day. Make it a great day where you live, and I see you at the top.